snack, crackle, pop right out of the fryer. Great bar snacks, great appetizers. And I'm gonna show you guys quickly how to dress this up and get it out there. So it's as simple as just adding a little bit of seasoning, some sort of a barbecue spice or your favorite blend of something that's zippy and spicy. I'll add a little bit of seasoned oil sometimes, like a sesame or even like a spicy mustard oil. And what that does is it helps us just kind of get that seasoning to really coat these rinds and make them super, super awesome. So let's get them in a basket. And so with these guys, we're gonna wanna have a dip sauce, and pork rinds go with pretty much anything that you have in the kitchen. And this is simple as like right here is a blue cheese dressing. I know a lot of us have this in the kitchen. And I'll dress it up with a little crumbled blue cheese. I can even put a little sprinkle of our spice mix in there. Tuck that guy right in the front. Get this out to the table. This is 25 cents and a portion in pork rinds as an appetizer that's vibrant, exciting, and alive as it hits the dining room. So the goal here is right out of the fryer, season it up, get it in a bowl or a basket, and out to your guests.